Here are the 4 major things that you should know before starting a YouTube channel this 2021. Let's dive in. Number 1, you need to ready yourself for a lot of heartaches and gain a lot of patience. Well, nasasabi ko to kasi I've experienced that. People nowadays think that starting a YouTube channel is just as easy as uploading a video, saying some stuffs in front of the camera. Well, yun din ang akala ko nung una, na napakadali. Nasisikat agad ako or viral yung video ko, but it is not. Well, starting a YouTube channel for me, equivalent to gaining a lot of, expectations, heartaches. Nandyan yung, at first, syempre, you don't have many viewers that will actually want to watch your videos. E di, ang gagawin mo, magpapashare ka, magpapa-watch ka, magpapa-like ka, and comment, and everything. I've experienced all of that, and nung una talaga, heartaches really hit me hard. But as you go by, you will come to realize that apart from being popular and starting a YouTube channel is your advocacy to help others. Number 2, niche down. Ano nga ba yung word na niche down? Well, in a layman's term, niching down is choosing the specific market or people you want to serve on your channel. Well, as a beginner or as a normal people like me, if hindi ka naman sikat and if you are not an artist or influencer and you don't have the capacity to have a really big audience na agad-agad, you have to niche down. You have to choose what will be the target of your channel. For example, di ba, nowadays, yung mga tao, nag-i-start yan, beauty vlog, tapos everyday life, tapos mga reviews, pranks sa isang channel. But the smartest way you can do if you are a normal people and a beginner like me, you need to niche down. For example, just think about what is your passion. What is that one thing that you are an expert with? Start with that. Ako, my passion is designing. And I come to think that I should niche down with designing. And the moment that I niche down to designing, particularly to Canva designing, maniwala kayo sa akin, my channel boosted and talagang maraming nanood because you have the specific target audience na gusto mong iserve through your videos. Kaya napakaganda talaga na nakikilala ka or you are the go-to person na pupuntahan ng tao sa YouTube with that specific topic. Like, sino ba yung mga sikat na kilala natin? Like this Filipino freelancer, Limuel Jumawid. Ayan, kilala siya na nakafocus sa freelancing tips and advices. Si Chinky Tan. Chinky Tan is one of the most successful YouTubers nowadays na nakafocus when it comes to money, helping people to budget, to organize their finances, anything like that. Another YouTuber that is very specific is Chloe Ting. For all the people out there na gusto magpapayat on the comfort of their home, si Chloe Ting ang pupuntahan nila. Dahil yung mga videos ni Chloe Ting is nakafocus sa mga workouts, easy workouts that you can do anytime on the comfort of your home. The third one, monetization is not as easy as 1, 2, 3. Well, monetization is, ito yung tinatawag nilang monetize or magkakameron ng sahod yung YouTube channel mo. And ano nga ba yung requirement for you to get monetized? Number 1, is the subscribers. You have to reach 1,000 subscribers and 40,000 watch hours. Hindi ito 40,000 views 40,000 watch hours. Hours yung binibilang ito sa loob ng isang taon. So, if you want to start a YouTube channel this year, this 2021, you might actually want to strategize as early as now. Tingnan mo kung ano yung mga videos na i-upload mo, paano mo ba siya ipopromote sa social media and stuffs like that. Kasi gaining that 40,000 watch hours is not as easy as you think. Believe me, kasi ako, hindi ko pa siya nare-reach. Last but not the least is consistency is the key. I know it's very cliche. Lagi niyo siyang naririnig na maging consistent ka, lahat ma-achieve mo, maging consistent ka, makukuha mo yung result na gusto mo. Yeah, It's true, because if you are being consistent on what you are doing, you will really achieve that one thing that you want without even blinking an eye. And if you want to start your YouTube channel this 2021, uploading a video, you should be consistent. Optimizing your video, you should be consistent. And you should be consistent also to your branding, colors, fonts, images, style. You should be consistent also to the ideas or to the videos you will produce in the future. Lahat dapat consistent. A lot of content creators are successful now because they are consistent. So always remember, consistency is the key. So yeah, I think that's it. And if you want to know more about optimizing your YouTube channel, creating designs, or tips and advices about freelancing, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have comments or any other suggestions or any other tips that can help our community, make sure to share these videos out there on Instagram or Facebook so that we can build a community or we can reach more people to help on this channel. I'll see you soon.